There she is, YouTubes. This is a 1970 Chevy. There's the old power plant right there. Good shape. Oh, this here's all fucking stock. It looks beautiful. Got one little rust spot down there to take care of, but you know, other than that, all in all, let's see if we can fucking flip this around here. How's that work? Well, what a fucking piece of shit. How do you turn this around to where it's looking? Well, I guess I can't fucking flip the damn fucking thing around on my fucking camera there. So let's go see if we can't spend some money and piss the old lady off. See you guys in a little bit.